Hi friends, welcome to Network Path. In this video, I will show you how to configure a DHCP server using Tftpd64 software. It is an open source software that you can find on the internet and download it. It is very easy to install. I have it installed in my PC one. And what I am going to do is I am going to open that software and run DHCP server on that software because that software, that is TFTPD64, has a feature of DHCP. Now, what I'm going to do is I will set up the server here, and this PC and this PC, these two PCs are going to obtain IP address from this DHCP server. Okay. Now, if you are interested in hosting your DHCP or DHCP service on router or any of the switch, I have made a video previously on that. I'll be providing the this link of that video in the description. In that video, I have shown you how to uh, turn on a DHCP service on router. In this video, we'll be hosting our DHCP server in one of the PCs, and these two PCs are going to obtain IP address from that. I have already installed TFDPD64. You just have to go to the link that I've given in the description for the TFTPD64 software, and it is a very easy install. After you install it, just follow the video and you'll understand how to set up. In this video, I'm not going to explain you how a DHCP protocol works, and for that, I have given another video link. In that video, I have explained how DHCP request and how a PC obtains an IP address. So you can refer to that video if you have any doubt about the DHCP process. Okay, let's start setting up our DHCP server. Okay, so this is my lab environment. My PC1 and PC2 is connected to switch 1 and PC3 is connected to switch 2. And first thing that you have to make sure is that your adapters are turned on. This is disabled, but if you enable this, your connection will be up with US switch or wherever you are connected. Now you have to enable all of them, enable it in all the PCs that are going to obtain IP address out of DHCP. So right now they are identifying because they are set up to obtain IP address automatically. And how to check that? You have to go to properties and TCP IPv4 and make sure it is on obtain an IP address automatically. Okay, and they should be same for all three PCs. Okay, now if these two steps are done, we will go to TFTPD64. This is the software logo. Turn this on. And right now, as all three PCs have not got any IP address, it will show a loopback IP, that is 127.0.0.1. And after opening the TFTPD64, you have to go to DHCP server option and go to settings. Okay, settings is down here. After that, make sure you are under DHCP settings and give the starting IP address of your pool. I'll give it 10.0.1.99, and size of my pool will be 3 because I have three PCs, PC1, PC2, and PC3. And least time you can set up as much you want. And default router will be 10.0.1.1 because this is my default router and default gateway to get outside the network. And my subnet mask will be /24, that is 255.255.255.0, and I'm going to use public DNS 8.8.8.8. Okay, now remaining of the settings, you have to keep it untouched. And if you know about all these other options, you can check them out. But uh, these are more than enough to provide IP addresses to your PCs. Even if you opt out of these two options, that is default router and DNS server, your PCs will still get IP address, but you have to manually give them DNS server IP and default gateways. So this is the this is the best thing that you can do by giving default router and DNS server, which will save your time later. Okay, after providing these details, you have to click OK and go to DHCP server. Again, you in this area you will see the devices which have obtained IP address through this your TFTPD64 DHCP server. Okay, now you have to wait for a few seconds or maybe minutes, and your PCs will try to obtain IP address. Now, right now, if I go to this particular PC on which the DHCP server is hosted and try command ipconfig, it has not obtained any IP address yet, and that's why it is showing a PIPA, that is 169, starting with 169. Now, if it is not obtaining IP address, you have to give a little push. Write command IP config slash renew. So this will renew or try to send request again to DHCP server, and now you can see that it has obtained an IP address that is 101, and same as you can see it is there on the DHCP server screen. And similarly, other two PCs will also obtain an IP address, but you have to give them a little push. You can try disabling and enabling the adapter, and you can do it without disabling it by writing ipconfig slash renew. Okay, so it has got an IP address. Now you can see it has obtained dot 100 IP address. And PC3 should get an IP address. Let's try disabling and enabling it. After enabling it, your adapter will try to get reach to that DHCP server and obtain IP address. Yes, it has got an IP address. Now your three PCs are visible here, and all of them have got an IP address. And if you type IP config slash all, you can see that the default gateway is there, the IP address is there, and the DNS is there as well. And your server interface IP has changed as well. And you can see the DHCP server IP address is there, and it will be same for all the PCs. Great. So all three PCs have obtained IP address from the DHCP server that we have created using TFTPD64, and this is how you can do it for your environment. And I think this was it for this video. I hope you liked it. And in the next video, I'll try to configure a DHCP server and router for a scenario in which you have done segmentation or created VLANs. And we'll see how the PCs are obtaining IP addresses. If you have any queries or doubts regarding this video, you can comment down in the comment section. And thank you so much.